Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all possible checking options using the IMEI number of your Redmi 15C. Alright, so first we need to find out what is our phone number, our IMEI number, and we have two options how we can check it. First one is by opening the phone app, and we need to type the one specific code. So type asterisk #06 hashtag, and now we have our two IMEI numbers and also the serial number. That's the first way how you can check it. Now click on OK, and if you want to know the second way, open up your settings, click on About Phone, click on Detailed Info and Specification. Now click on the status, and in here we have both IMEIs. Alright, so now let's go straight into IMEI.info page, and I'll show you what options we have. Alright, so now we are on the IMEI.info page, and now in this bar we need to type our phone number, our IMEI number that we have just checked. Now click on this blue button, check IMEI. As you can see, the Redmi 15C appear right now, and now in here, from the top you can perform the blacklist premium check. When it comes to that, you need to pay for it, and when you click right in here you can buy a phone like this. Below we have the basic information about the device, such as device type, when it was released, the operating system, the battery, its capacity, does it support LTE and the 5G, the display, does it have built-in NFC. If you click on expand info you can see more, and you can always click on full device specification, then click on the parameters, and in here you have a long list about informations. As we go back, and when we scroll down, we have the basic checks and also the advanced checks. When it comes to the advanced one, you need to pay for them. In here we have the Xiaomi warranty and country check and the blacklist premium check. When it comes to the basic ones, we have Xiaomi Mi Lock info check, blacklist simple check, eSIM compatibility check, random IMEI generator, MAC address check, MAC address generator, lost device add, and lost device check. And as you scroll down, you can share this page with the QR code. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.